What's up guys, Kevin the Tech Ninja here, and today we have a very special unboxing. This is the OnePlus Open Apex Edition. Super happy to check this out and unbox it. Thank you for OnePlus for sending this out and for me to check it out. As you guys know, I'm a big fan of the OnePlus Open. I think it's the best foldable phone out this year. This phone is coming with 16 gigabytes of RAM and also 1 terabyte of storage. That is the actual unit. You can't get one with less or more. And they're also running some promotional offers as well, and we'll talk about that during the unboxing. So this unboxing is kind of cool. I really like how it pops up at you, right? I really like this color. It's called Crimson Shadow. It's red and it's kind of leathery. It feels really good and it feels very, very premium. I also really like around the camera lens, you have this red popping out too. So you have this you have the floating camera, then you have this red ring around it, and then you have this leather texture at the bottom. I think this is really good looking, especially if you like the color red. Now, OnePlus also said that this is an homage to Hasselblad, that they use a lot of this color, and then also the red Never Settle color. So it's kind of a collaboration with that. While we get the phone set up, let's go ahead and take a look at the accessories and let's see if they're any different. I am interested to see if these accessories are like a different color. Okay, so we have our standard charging brick, which is gonna be our super VOC charging that we've seen on the previous OnePlus. And let's take a look at the cord, see if the cord is any different. It actually comes with a case, just like the OnePlus Open came with a case before, but we do have a built-in case and it kind of keeps that same color, which is nice. Nope, and then we have the same charging cable too. So pretty much the same accessories, but we do have an updated case, which I think is pretty cool to take a look at. Now I am gonna wonder if there's any widgets or anything that is exclusive to this version. I'm not quite sure. So yeah, here's the phone right here. I mean, this is your standard OnePlus Open, very great folding phone. I mean, this is my favorite folding phone, but this red definitely does pop. And this red looks really good. And like I said, I really love this floating camera right here, this camera ring around it. It looks really good. Here it is compared to my personal OnePlus Open. And you can see this new color really, really pops. I do like this green for sure, but this red is really different. And then you have this texture too, which is really nice. Like this leather feeling texture is really cool. So, and then also what I'm noticing is that we have this little red button here on the actual slider too. If you can see, the alert toggle has a little red button too. And then these rails are kind of a lighter stainless steel color versus like this dark stainless steel. So overall, this phone is very attractive and it looks really good. And also that 1 terabyte of storage. And then on the notification slider, if you move it all the way up, you go into what's called VIP mode. VIP mode turns off your microphone and turns off your camera for added security. So think about if you're in a sensitive meeting or you don't want to accidentally trigger camera, or you think someone is listening to you. You turn on VIP mode and then the hardware for the camera microphone is turned off. So when I go into camera, the camera won't even work until I turn off VIP mode. So just an extra layer of added security on this phone only. If you take a look at the specs, everything else is the same. Same battery capacity, same screen size, same amount of RAM, same cameras, and also we do have more storage here. So the actual price of the OnePlus Open Apex Edition is $1899. They do have $300 off if you use the coupon code linked down below. And also you can do a trade-in of any device as well for additional $100 off. And that's any device in any condition, but if you have like an upgraded device or a better device, you may get even more. But anyways, guys, OnePlus Open Apex Crimson Shadow color. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys very soon. Peace.